Hello everybody, this is American Mechanic with a 2000 Ford Expedition here. You can see I got the truck jacked up, both lower and upper ball joint are intact, tires even still on. And I went to the junkyard and got a Lincoln Navigator axle shaft. I don't know if you can see the part number there, but yeah, you jack it up, don't have to go all the way, but you just get it up in here and you can literally just slide it right around it, right on up into place. Of course my bolt holes don't line up, I'm one tooth off. Alright, well there you have it.